Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fix My Bleep channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Clax original multi-use functional collapsible cart. So this thing's made in Germany. It's designed for ultimate convenience when it comes to transporting groceries, supplies, or whatever you need to haul around. From quick errands to heavy duty loads, the Clax Cart can be a real life changer. So let's dive in and take a look at what makes this thing so practical. So you might be asking, what exactly is the Clax Cart? Basically, it's a mobile, foldable trolley that functions as both a shopping cart, storage crate, and a platform truck all in one. It's compact, easily collapsible, and sturdy, plus it has built-in storage crates that you can pop in and out as needed. Now note, I've purchased a second crate to handle more groceries. When you originally buy this, it just comes with the one crate. The Clax Cart is versatile and can be used in tons of ways. Here are just a few ideas. So you've got grocery runs, ideal for making trips to the grocery store is a breeze. No need to carry big heavy bags everywhere you go. Also, don't forget moving boxes. This cart's portable enough to fit in your car trunk, plus strong enough to carry heavy loads. The cart can make life so much easier for running errands, grocery shopping, or even moving things around your house. Another great use of this cart is for the professional caterer, somebody that needs to get a lot of things somewhere really fast and set up a big event. This cart is for you. Alright, here's how you open up the Clax Cart. It's got a button right here. You push the button, you lift up. Got the first setting right there. If you want, you push the button some more and you hold it back. And there's the last setting right there, it just clicks. And there's your cart fully expanded. And you've got these baskets. To expand these, you lift up on it. And you push the walls out. And that expands your baskets. That one's ready to go. They just drop right into your cart. Same thing with this basket. Lift up the basket, push the walls, and that drops into your cart. And off you go. Okay, when you've got all your groceries loaded in your vehicle and you're ready to put your cart away, you just fold down your baskets. Set them in your car, you fold down your cart. Set that in your vehicle. It's got a nice little locking mechanism on the back of your cart so it doesn't roll around. You push that down and off you go. So what really makes the Clax Cart stand out? Here's what I liked about it. Number one, this cart is really sturdy and durable. It's designed to last thanks to that German engineering. Number two, this cart's easy to collapse and then expand again. It folds down with the push of a button, making it super easy to store. Number three, this Clax Cart is compact, yet it's spacious and can store a lot of things, but it still will fold down so you can put it in the back of your vehicle and be on the go. Number four, the built-in storage crate. The detachable crate is a huge plus for carrying those smaller items around. Number five, that smooth mobility. The wheels are well designed, it glides smoothly even with those heavier loads. And finally, number six, the ergonomic handle. It's really comfortable to grip. It's also adjustable to different heights. So currently this Clax Cart is running about $269 on Amazon. There's a link in the video description after you're done watching. Be sure and check that out. These also make a fantastic gift. So of course there's no product that's perfect, and here are a couple of things to keep in mind when buying this Clax Cart. Item number one is price. It's on the higher end for a cart, which might make it a bit of an investment to start out. Item number two is weight capacity. Although it's really strong, there are limits on the amount of weight that you can throw on this cart, so it's not ideal for extremely heavy items. You don't want to be going into Home Depot and throw like 3 bags of concrete on the cart. That won't be good. Despite a couple of minor drawbacks, the Clax Cart really is a fantastic product for anyone who needs a reliable and versatile cart. It's super convenient, it's well designed, and has a lot of uses, and you're getting that German engineering built right into it. I give the Clax Original Multi-Use Collapsible Cart a solid 5 out of 5 stars with 2 big thumbs up. For what it offers, I think it's worth every penny that you're putting into it. Thanks for watching this review on the Fix My Bleep channel. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more product reviews, tips, and tricks to make life a little bit easier. Also, if you're interested in the Clax Cart, be sure and check out the link below in the description to learn more about that. Thanks so much. Check out these other videos that are coming up, and I will catch you guys on the next one.